green. It's green. Blue and yellow makes green. Green. It's green. Blue and yellow makes green. The rain erased my color. Oh, Granny, help me please. We'll try to make some orange with our color chemistry. I can do it. Look at this. Orange. It's orange. Red and yellow makes orange. Orange. It's orange. Red and yellow makes orange. The rain erased my color. Oh, Granny, help me please. We'll try to make some red with our color chemistry. Let's make some colors again. Red. It's red. Pink and yellow makes red. Red. It's red. Pink and yellow makes red. We got our green, orange, and red. At last, our colors that to us so fun. Let's dance. We got our green, orange, and red. At last, our colors that to us so fun. Let's dance. Hi kids! Do you want to help kids dress up as characters from Barbie? Yes? Let's play Barbie App. So fun! Let's start with the original Barbie. She's my favorite. We begin by choosing the top. Which one is it? I know! The striped one. No, that one is a pink denim vest. Look for the stripes. Nice! That's right! So now let's choose the bottom. Exactly! It fits perfectly with the top. Kid looks really cute, but something's missing. That's it! The hair! Remember, we're looking for blonde hair with sunglasses. Now Kid's dressed up like the original Barbie, and he looks gorgeous. Let's continue with the next one. It's Roller Ken's turn. So again, let's pick the right top. I'm not sure about this one. Yes, that one. The pink vest with a colorful pattern. And now the bottoms. Do you see it? It's the one with rollerblades. Good job! It's time for the hair. Let's check it. We need a short blonde wig and a hairband with a funky pattern. I know this one's tricky, but you know how to do it. Exactly! That one! Oh, how cool! I'm sure this will be Kid's favorite. He looks really fancy with his roller skates. Let's move to the last one. Barbie Cowboy. I love this outfit. Let's choose his top. The pink denim vest. That's it. And the pants? Do you know which one they are? Could be, but no. We've already picked that one out for the original Barbie. We're looking for pink bell bottoms and white boots. Yes, that one. And now the hair. We're looking for long blonde hair and a cowboy hat. Wow! I can't believe how lit Kid looks as Barbie Cowboy. Well done, girls and boys. We have successfully completed the game. Now you have to choose your favorite costume. Yay! Mine too. Bye. Hi, kids. Let's play when I say the floor is lava! Are you ready? Dancing, dancing, dancing on a trampoline. Bounce, bounce, bounce. Dancing, dancing, dancing on a lot of slides. Sticky, sticky, sticky.
3, 2, 1.
The floor is lava! Jump on a chair, jump on the couch.
Danger, danger, be careful.
The floor is lava! Jump on a table, jump on the bed.
Danger, danger, be careful.
Phew! We're safe now! Dancing, dancing, dancing on a spinning wheel. Round, round, round. Dancing, dancing, dancing on a frozen lake. You, you, you.
3, 2, 1.
The floor is lava! Jump on a chair, jump on the couch.
Danger, danger, be careful.
The floor is lava! Jump on a table, jump on the bed.
Danger, danger, be careful.
Phew! We're safe now! Dancing, dancing, dancing on a washing machine. Dancing, dancing, dancing on shifting sands. Down, down, down.
3, 2, 1.
The floor is lava! Jump on a chair, jump on the couch.
Danger, danger, be careful.
The floor is lava! Jump on a table, jump on the bed.
Danger, danger, be careful.
Yay! You win! What fun! The Superzoo team is preparing to go on a picnic. That's a big food basket. It smells delicious. Look, it's a cat. Do you want to play with him? Oh, how cute! The cat farted. It wasn't Monkey. What's happening? I thought the Superzoo team was going on a picnic, not napping. Something isn't right here. This is a job for the Superzoo team. Dr. Spooky is destroying the trees with his evil robot. That's why he put you to sleep using his cat. We must stop him. To the transformation capsules. Come on, Monkey! Let's stop him! Oh no! One key has to be turned to the right and the other to the left. Careful! The cat wants to use his toxic gas again! idea, Kangoo. That was close. Catty turned her key to the right. It's your turn, Monkey. You have to turn yours to the left. Here's a trick for next time. If you wear a bracelet on your left hand, you will always know which side it is. You should know that kindness always wins, Dr. Spooky. Hello, Superzoo team! Isn't it too late for video games? Isn't it too late for snacking? Isn't it late for dancing? Finally, someone who looks like they're going to bed. I'm as shocked as you are. They can't hear you, Granny. It's already too late. Granny's right. You have to go to bed. Come on, go to bed. All right, do what you want. Good morning. I said good morning. Oh, Lord. What? What's going on? Oh, no. Evil Dr. Spooky is filling everything with garbage. Where's the Superzoo team? Ayo! You guys are finally on the move. Thank you. Uh-oh. This is what happens when you don't sleep well. I have no idea what they're doing either, Spooky. This is what happens when you don't sleep well. Spooky is making a huge mess. Is this a joke? Team Superzoo, let's go! Here's Catty. This is what happens when you don't sleep well. Hello! It's time to save the world! Yeah, this all happened when you were asleep. We have to stop the robots and clean the field. Get your act together, guys. We've got to stop Spooky. Do the transformation capsules. Catty! Monkey! Hello? Let's go! Let's defeat Dr. Spooky once more! Watch out, Caddy! Your ninja bomb turned into a hairball! By the skin of your teeth! Your turn, monkey! No, monkey! Come on, Kangoo! Yay! Today everything goes wrong! Watch out, Granny! Go, Superzoo team! It's taking Granny away! Do something! Oh! How cool! Great! Now let's all show the power of Team Superzoo! Right on target! Bye! You're the best, and you're a great team! Go to sleep. And remember, kids, if you don't want your day turned upside down, you've got to get into bed early. Sweet dreams!